Hello, everybody. It's Ira with Project Help You Grow and your favorite Bay Area account representative for the California Survey and Drafting Supply. I'm laughing because actually we have another Bay Area account rep, so I probably shouldn't say that. John is new to the team and he's handling Santa Clara County and San Mateo County for us, and I do San Francisco, Oakland, and basically all the rest of the East Bay. So I'm your favorite San Francisco East Bay account manager for California Survey and Drafting Supply. And anyways, I'll leave it at that. Today, I want to help you guys with something that I think is significant. It's actually very easy, but I notice a lot of people making a mistake. I want to show you something. Okay, so if we go view profile and go to your followers, manage followers. Of course, that says 0, but that's not true. Here we go. Okay, this is what I want to show you. See how it says following and followers? It's not the same thing. Okay, so I have right now 46,690 followers. And if I click this, okay, now I'm following more. I have to hit done, unfortunately, for that to take effect. But let me come back. Let me show you that again. Okay, view profile. Scroll down here to followers, hit manage followers. And it takes a little bit longer because I'm recording, I think. But anyways, here we go, okay? Here it is. But this is what I want you to see. The reason why I personally am not following 46,690 plus, because I'm actually following people who aren't following me too. So the gap there's a little bit more. But basically that 6,000, 7,000 gap comes from people who don't allow people to follow them. And most people don't even know that that's an option. It's buried in your security settings. What you want to do, go to your profile and then go to settings and privacy. If you click that, it takes you to this right here, okay? Then what you want to do is you actually want to scroll down here to the bottom, followers, and just hit that to change and pick everyone. Okay, you want everyone to be able to follow you. Why? Well, followers are not the same as connections, so you don't have to have all the same security concerns, but you can gain some benefits. What happens is, okay, so like right here, when I hit done, what did that do? Well, it updated my feed. So if I just come here to my feed, right, I am going to see or potentially see everybody that I'm following. Now, if you allow followers, that means that when you post it, they're going to potentially see you too. So you're increasing the number of people who can naturally see your postings, not gain access to your private information, not see your contact information. They cannot private message you, or what we call a DM here, direct message on LinkedIn, but they can view your posts. When you post, it allows them to follow you, much in the same way like you can follow a hashtag, right? Like marketing has 19 million followers. Well, Ira Bowman has 46,690 followers. So when I post, that allows people to see what I'm posting. It increases the opportunity for them to engage me in the comments, and that's what it's all about, right? So following, once you max out, like, look, as many times as I say this, and people don't understand, the most connections that you can have is 30,000. So right now, I have the ability to add 2 more because I've had 2 fall off today, okay? But once that's 30,000, you can't add unlimited. Look, I've got 20, where did it go? I've got 2,287 people waiting in the queue for me to add them, and I've got 2 open spots at the moment. Okay, so that's why you can't, there's not unlimited adding. Once I get to 30,000, I could hit accept all day long. It doesn't change it, right? But there's unlimited following. So again, to get people to follow you, what you have to do is you have to go up into your, let me show you again. Watch this now. Settings and privacy. When you click that, it takes you to this page. And what you want to do is you want to scroll down to the very bottom. Okay, followers. Change that from whatever your setting says to everyone. And now you've opened it up and people can follow you. They don't need permission to follow you. they can't see anything that you don't post publicly. But at least when you post, it gives them that opportunity to find you and increase your engagement, which hopefully is what this is all about. Because if we're not here to be social, I don't know what the heck we're doing, right? We're trying to build relationships and strengthen relationships. Why? So we can do more business together. Also, so we can help other people too. Like the whole reason I created Project Help You Grow was to help people to build their networks and increase engagement. And then through that, I started helping people find jobs, right? The job search assistance for free. And that's what ProjectHelpYouGrow.com is all about. But anyways, you want followers, you have to allow people to follow you. And then you too will have a lot of followers. Again, I would be following more people if I could, but I can only follow the people who allow me to follow them, right? So I come here down to followers, manage followers. It says 0, but it's not really 0, okay? So I'm following 40,070 people right now. I have 46,691 because apparently I've had one more follower since I started shooting this video, okay? So anyways, that's how you do it. That's how you get people to follow you, or allow them to follow you. Otherwise, only who you're directly connected to can follow you, and even some of those who directly connect to you can choose to unfollow you, which is what I used to have. So back in May of 2018, I had 1,520 connections, and I had like 1,400 and something followers. I had about 100 of my connections that were not following me. Apparently, they weren't interested in my print-related posts. But now I have 30,000 connections, 46,691 followers, and I follow 40,070 people. Can you follow all that? Anyways, the way you get people to allow them to follow you is to make the change right here. Privacy and settings, go down to the bottom, change this to everybody on LinkedIn, hit yes there, and away you go. My name is Ira Bowman. If you like this type of information and you happen to be in San Francisco, I want to plug my event. It's coming up. It's completely free. What you want to do is go projecthelpyougrow.com/events. Here's the information for Grow and Excel. Again, it's free. You just have to RSVP to be allowed in. And I have a limited venue space of 100 people. So you've got to be one of the first 100 to RSVP. And I am filling up. So get on the list. You can email info@projecthelpyougrow.com to get on the RSVP list. Here are my current sponsors. My location sponsor, Workwise. Accent Care is pitching in money to help me cover the expenses of running it. And then, of course, Project Help You Grow, that's me. I'm the one putting the show on. So if you want to come, basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to be teaching this right here. I'll show you since I'm here. You go to my profile. I'm going to be teaching Grow and Excel. This is it right here. This is the lesson plan, okay? Continuing to grow and sell. This is part 2. I'm going to teach part 1 and part 2 there at the seminar. There's going to be overhead screens going on. You're going to be able to see my screen. And I'm going to walk you through, how to build your LinkedIn audience, and I'm going to teach you how I use it to excel. If you want to have 46,691 followers and 30,000 connections, I'll teach you how to do it. I'm going to teach you how to do it for free. This is how you sign up and all the location information. This is a sneak peek at the venue itself. I think you want to see what the room looks like where we're going to be meeting. Anyways, I hope you come. I hope this video was a help, and I hope that you will fix your settings to allow followers so that I can get my number from 40,070 up to match. I would love this number to match. I'm trying to follow everybody who follows me. That's my goal, to be as social as possible. Help me follow you by allowing me to follow you, and everybody else for that matter. Have a great day, everybody. I hope to see you again real soon.